Hello guys, welcome to Inspired to DIY. In today's video, I'll share a creative way to cover on old wall lighting using cardboard. To get started, I cut into size 8 pieces of cardboard, and next I'll go ahead and make 4 cardboard thick pieces. To keep the cardboards together as one piece, I then use duct tape. I created 2 of this piece like this, and next I'll go ahead and use mirror reflective paper to cover them. For this part, any kind of contact paper can be used. The idea is to have the duct tape covered. Next, I'll go ahead and use this chopping mat, and it is really flexible and also see-through, and I'll go ahead and glue it on the side of each of the pieces. I use both a strong adhesive and also some hard glue to make sure that the 2 pieces are staying strongly together. I added more glue on the inside and also added a wooden dowel for more support. I then repeated the same step for the other side, and now I have an arc. I then created 2 additional pieces of cardboard to add for support from the inside. I allowed everything to dry for an additional 30 seconds before I move to decorating it. So I'll be using the soft adhesive mirror tiles to create an intriguing and beautiful design. The self-adhesive mirror tiles are so easy to use, and you can create any design of your liking. This is the design I decided to go with, and next I'll be using adhesive diamond wrap to cover the sides. As you can see, the end of the wooden dowels are showing, so I'll be using acrylic gems to cover all of them. I felt my wall sconce to be a little plain, so I decided to use this additional Rhinestone sheet that I got from Amazon to add more glam to it. Now to hang it on the wall, I'll be using this 12-pound common strips. The idea was to change my old wall lighting cover and create something more glamorous that tied in with the rest of my home, and I believe I did accomplish that. And one of the best things about this idea is the fact that it is also renter friendly and inexpensive way to change your apartment old light cover for your journey there. This project was really fun and easy to do. I hope you guys like it. If so, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. If you have not, go ahead, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of my next projects. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.